Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're at Lowe's and we're going to check out some of the deals they got going on for Father's Day. Alright, so first up they got tons of deals going on for Craftsman Days. They got the misting fan kit for $99. That's going to come with your battery and charger. And then they got a bunch of buy one get one going on. So if you pick up either the starter kit, has your 4 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery, or the string trimmer kit, you're going to get a select tool for free. And let's go ahead and take a look at these tools. So we've got 12 to choose from. The most expensive being the 3/8 inch ratchet, coming in at $99. So that's going to be your best value for that buy one get one. Another buy one get one is for $200 if you pick up this combo kit, which is a string trimmer and a leaf blower. You'll be able to get one of these items for free. Looks like they got the vacuum, the fan, the light, Bluetooth speaker, and battery. Also, if you pick up the push mower for $329, you get a free trimmer or blower. They also got some deals going on for Ego's outdoor power equipment. They're doing a free 2.5 amp hour battery when you purchase one of these blowers or trimmers. Here's a 765 CFM blower. This does come with a 5 amp hour battery. And then they also got the 16 inch string trimmer, and this comes with a 4 amp hour battery. Price on the string trimmer or blower is going to be $299. Another Ego deal is if you pick up this 21 inch self-propelled lawnmower, and this comes with a 7.5 amp hour battery. At $599, you also get a free 5 amp hour battery. Now I did find a clearance deal for Ego at my local Lowe's. So they got the riding lawnmower. This is a 42 inch kit. This was marked down to $3,600. Regular price, $5,999. They also had a deal on the Kobalt self-propelled lawnmower. This is a 20 inch, $349 for this, so you're saving $100. This is a 40 volt and it's going to come with one 6 amp hour battery. Run times up to about 45 minutes. Now you guys looking for a gas lawnmower? There's a couple I seen on sale. So here's the Toro Smart Stow. This comes in at $469. Saving $30 was $499. It's got a 150cc engine, 22 inch deck size. This one's also self-propelled. Kind of cool little design there for the Smart Stow. And then they also got the Craftsman gas mower coming in at $349. This was $369, so only saving $20 on this one. This one's a 21 inch and it is a push mower with a 140cc engine. Now also for Kobalt, they had the string trimmer kit. So this is a 15 inch split shaft attachment capable string trimmer. Comes with a 4 amp hour battery, down to $149, saving $40 on this one. We also had a couple of grills on sale. So here is the 4-burner charbroil, was $250, marked the price down to $200. Nice stainless steel lid. Also has the side burner. We also had a little deal going on for the Blackstone. So this is the 2-burner for $249. If you purchase this, they're going to throw in the 8-piece griddle kit for free. Now, if you guys are looking for a pellet grill, they did have the Pit Boss. $100 off on this. It was $699 down to $599. Pretty nice grill here. It does have the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your phone, be able to monitor what's going on with your grill. If you guys are looking for a smoker, they also had the Masterbuilt electric smoker on sale. $100 off on this, down to $249. And the smoker's also Wi-Fi enabled. Now, if you guys are looking for a generator, they got a pretty good deal going on for the Craftsman's 2500 watt inverter generator. $160 savings, all the way down to $500 on this one. So not a bad pickup there for you guys looking for a portable generator. They also got some deals on Craftsman storage cabinets. So here's a 32 inch floor cabinet. Price on this is $259. It was $349, so pretty decent deal there. And then they also got a deal going on for the wall cabinet. Price on this all the way down to $129. This was $179. And then they also got the 72 inch wide workbench. Was $339 down to $249. You guys looking for more storage? They got the shelving unit by Kobalt. It's $99 savings on this. This was $299 down to $199. This is a 4-tier shelving unit, 1,500 pound capacity per shelf. This would be great for your shop or garage. Now, if you guys are looking for toolboxes, I've seen this one. I know you guys would love it. 46 inch 9 drawer for $400. $100 off on this. Now, if you don't like the pink, of course, you can get it in other different colors. And here's a look at the black and blue one. This one's pretty nice looking. Not too sure if it's better looking than the pink one, though. Also for Kobalt, they had the 26-inch toolbox. So the top here is a $179, and then you can get the rolling tool cabinet for $219. Savings on both of those is going to be $50. And then Kobalt also had their 4-drawer mechanic cart. Decent price on this, down to $179. $90 savings, normally $269. And you can get this in multiple different colors also. It's not too bad of a price on that. And then if you're looking for something bigger, they did have the Craftsman toolbox on sale. Price on this, $698. So this is a 52-inch 10-drawer cabinet. Pretty nice toolbox here. Does have the soft closing drawers also. It's got the integrated power strip at the top with the USB outputs. 1,500 pound capacity on this. So pretty nice toolbox there by Craftsman for $698. All right, so next up we're going to check out some of the tool deals they got going on. So pretty decent deal here for Craftsman days. They got the 230-piece mechanic tool set back down to $99. So this is nice. It's going to include your 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive, 1/2 inch drive, and it's got the integrated drawers just to keep everything nice and organized. 72 tooth, a low profile ratchet. So not too bad of a deal at $100. All right, so go ahead and jump into some power tool deals. So for Dewalt, your choice for $149. You can get the drill or impact kit. This is the 12-volt max. And with the purchase of one of those kits, you're going to be able to select one of these free tools. And another deal they got going on for Dewalt for $199. If you pick up the 2-pack 4-amp-hour batteries, you get one free tool. But if you pick up the 2-pack of the 5-amp-hour starter kit for $300, you'll get 2 free tools. And here's a look at the tools that you'll be able to choose from. Also for Dewalt, your choice for $349. So if you purchase one of these kits, you're also going to get a free XR 8-amp-hour battery. Dewalt's also got a $99 deal, so your choice, the choice of the drill kit, impact driver kit, or the multi-tool kit. Best savings there is going to be the multi-tool kit, and then they also got the 2-tool combo kit for $169. And then they also got a deal going on for the 4-piece tool kit, $300 for that, or the 7-piece tool kit down to $600. And Dewalt's also got a deal going on for their 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw, saving $200 on this one, down to $399. Some more Craftsman deals. So if you pick up the 4-amp-hour and 6-amp-hour starter kit for $149, you get one free tool. And then if you pick up the combo kit, you're going to get 2 free tools. Craftsman's also got a deal on the 2-tool combo kit for $99. This was $149. And here's a clearance deal I found at my local Lowe's. Look at the price on this. So this is their RP hammer drill. So this is a higher line for Craftsman. $34.65. This was $100. This is the bare tool only. But man, that's a great deal. All right, we'll go ahead and jump into some Kobalt deals. So your choice for $149. You can either pick up the pruning saw or the 4-amp-hour starter kit. And this is a Bogo deal, so if you purchase one of those, you'll be able to select one free tool. There's the Kobalt tools they got to choose from. And then for Kobalt, they got another deal, your choice for $149. You can either pick up the string trimmer blower kit, 1/2-inch impact wrench, or the 2-tool combo kit. They also got some deals for Metabo. So there's another Bogo deal. With the purchase of framing or roofing nailer kit, you'll be able to get a 2.5-amp-hour battery for free. Another deal they got for Metabo, another Bogo deal. So when you buy a bare tool, you're going to get 2 2-amp-hour batteries and the charger for free. All right, next up, we'll check out some of the deals on the Flex power tools. So same thing, they got your choice for $149, saving up to $50 if you purchase one of those. Or your choice for $99, saving up to $100 for the purchase of one of those tools. All right, guys, so there you go. Some of the top deals they got going on at Lowe's for Father's Day. Now, if you guys are interested what Home Depot has to offer for their Father's Day sale, I also posted a video for that. You can click it here. Or the Harbor Freight parking lot sale is going on right now. I also got a video for the top deals during that parking lot sale. So both of those videos will be at the end here. Hope you guys found some value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.